Hi guys, good morning. We are on the way to Opole to attend a wedding, charot, for our friend's wedding. So I am with my friend here, Lou. Hi, Lou. And also here, Bella Tut.
Hello, everyone.
Anong ginagawa mo, kumare? She's still doing her hair.
Why?
So, guys, abangan nyo kami later on. Actually, from Warsaw to Opole is 3 hours drive. So, at the moment, we have 1 hour left. So, happy to may maabot. Yeah, we arrived there around 11. So, see you guys later and abangan nyo ang ganap naming mga magagandang Pilipina. Babush!
Paano tayo nito matatapos? Uy, ano bang kailangan nyo?
Oh,
Sabihin mo.
nagla-live just kumari ko.
Oo. Ano
Mag-
bang kailangan nyo? Sabihin mo.
Ano ko?
Blush on. Blush on?
Oh.
Oh, ito. Ano bang kulay ng gusto mo? Paano tayo matatapos? Hindi yan yung brush.
Not yet.
Are we there yet? Pantay na pantay ang gupit na. Basket na basket ang gupit na. Balik ang ganun. Ayos. Ayos. Ayos.
Hi guys.
Let's welcome our bride. Cheers. Hi, bride. Say hi to my vlog. Shasha, Amelia. Say hi to Chacha. You're gonna see yourself in the YouTube. They're very pink. Hindi, oh. And that's our room. Here's the room. And let's go to our beautiful bridesmaid. Here's our bridesmaid number 1. Yes. And here's our ninang.
Ninang. Malaki ang pakipking ni Ninang.
Asan po isa natin
Ninang.
ninang? Ang ating ninang number 3. Sige siya paganda doon, guys. Ayan, pagganyan-ganyan pa siya. Oh, mukha siyang mannequin, no? Mannequin yarn. Here's our przysztojnie groom. Tak? Tak. That's our groom and that's our baby. Oh, she's not a baby anymore. Tak, Amelia? And here's our pretty fetus. Hi. Ang pretty mo dyan, Mars. Dyan. Pretty ka dyan. Dyan ka lang. Pretty mo. Dyan ka lang. Where are... Eto. Aragay. Aragay. Ang ating ang pipriti ng mga ninang natin, oh. Low. Parang nagbabago yung isip ni Camille.
Idę i trzymasz mocno, no, trzymaj.
Nie,
Chyba nie ten zaciąg.
to się bawić.
Okej,
Dobra.
dzięki. Ile ma lat?
No, zaraz będziemy miał 3.
3. A Państwa w Urzędzie Stanu Cywilnego w Oleśnie. A szczególnie serdecznie witam Państwa młodych przybyłych z zamiarem małżeństwa.
Place them on each other's fingers.
Zapraszamy tu bliżej. Można powtarzać.
Chodź, kamerę.
Congratulations!
Come for a picture over here.
Szanowni Państwo,
Smile!
Messi, happy birthday.
Tabi ka, tabi! Tabi, tabi!
Zobacz, co się działo.
Dobrze, nazwiskiem jakiego będziecie Państwo używać w małżeństwie to nazwisko ojca i męża.
I hereby confirm that the surname of you will use
Wszyscy Państwo podpisujecie czytelnie Pani dotychczasowym nazwiskiem. Proszę nie uciekać, że zdjęcia z pokolenia.
Myślałem, że właśnie stawi się ze świadkowym.
No.
Brawo! Congratulations!
Ako lang walang cellphone. Full storage.
Uy, tayo mamaya na.
Każdym telefonem robić,
Wait, Camille is not ready.
Smile, please. Say pera.
Pera! Walang pera!
Pera.
Walang pera!
Pieniędzy. Girls naman.
Okay na, girls, 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 girls. Bridesmaids.
Alright, girls. My goodness.
Inaano kita?
I will be tall.
Yan, very good.
Tapos na.
Okay na.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, Kuya Manzo. Congratulations.
Let's go! Let's go!
Ah, yung dalawa magha-honeymoon, oh, magha-honeymoon. Ah, sana all. You have here the, what do you call this one, Dailu? Alpaca?
Wraps her hair in golden
They
waves,
have the brown one over there.
looking strong and being brave. Takes a sip of gin, I swear. When I grow up, I'll be like her. Oh, there she goes.
May nagmamodeling dito sa tabi.
Oh, there she goes again.
Hi to my vlog.
Knows
Guys!
exactly
I
what
have a
she
big
wants.
problem. I think we should go because my
Fancy place or
Lashes.
restaurant.
the wind is so
Moving past, I kiss the air. When I grow up, I'll be like
ano na
her.
natin. The wind is so strong and the lashes will fly away.
Oh, there she goes.
Bagay naman sa kanya eh. Ganun mo lalaki.
There she goes.
Ganun na lang lalaki.
Oh, there she goes again.
Ayun o, yung mga donkey. Ay, no, me. Me.
Like pregnant? Iba-iba ng sounds ba? Oh, may ano pa siya ba? Ito lang kaya mo sakyan? Ha? Ito lang kaya mo sakyan? Sakyan. Gusto ba? Dami.
Let's go, honey.
Oo, sa'yo. Come here.
Wala kayo sungay day. Dili man nungay day.
That's super
Ala, murag malibang or mangihi. Look at guys, they have a lot of apples. Oh, see, and it's so crunchy. Dai, look, ingon. Oh, and they also have here tomatoes. Oh, look at the tomatoes. Look at the tomatoes. What the They got also here. You know. They're eating apples. Ah. Ah. tawagang usa day. Usa! A lot of deer. Deer!
Hi, dear.
Deer! Come on over. Come on over, dear. Oh, ang taas ng ano nila, yung... Oo. Oh my God! Ang laki niya dahil. Sorry dahil. Ay! Very big.
Ito yung
Hello, ang laki niya.
Mama, Papa.
Usa! Duha! Wala na, dahil. Tagay. More. Asa ang bayot na?
Sino ang bayon?
May inanit din, oh, may brown din, oh. Gapaingon, day. Gapaingon ang duwang. May mo sa reindeer, day. To. Oo. Kini ba? Kining. Kuan ba? Duwa ka nga na ay mga sungay, day ba? O, kini. Muy reindeer ni Santa. Bibisitahin natin dito si Madam. Madam, kumusta yung asyenda mo, Madam? Madam, kumusta yung asyenda mo? Anong masasabi mo? Madam, pwede na ba tayong yate? Madam, baka nasa paligid ng mga ahas, Madam. Pero Madam, hindi ako maalam. Ayoko. Pwede ba tayong mamingwit dito, Madam?
Pwede naman, pero dapat
Yate. Oh. Wala ba yung buhaya dyan? Marami. So guys, mamitas kami, mag-harvest kami ng apple. Very cute apple. Oh. The apple is a bit sweet, sour, and dali. Sulod sa mo kay ato sa nilis. Dali sa mo kay noogi. Balik ka. Ben, come! Ato na nilis.
Nie. Czereśnia i... Wiśnia. Wiśnia i czereś.
Hi guys! So, karon, I'm going to end my video, my vlog, kay muulit na mi. Tapos na, the party is finished, over, and karon, muulit na mi. And now we're about to go home. So, at the moment we stop in the gas station for gasoline and toilet as well. And hope you watch my video. Click like, subscribe, and click the notification to always notify you when I have uploaded videos. So, bye! Thank you for watching.